Elon Musk attributes his success to 10 simple tactics that have led to compounding company growth that is unstoppable once it reaches a certain level. 1. Have a clear vision and strategy. What do you want your business to achieve? What are your goals for the short term and the long term? How are you going to achieve your goals? What are the key milestones you need to reach along the way? What are the challenges you will face and how are you going to overcome them? Having a clear vision and strategy will help you stay focused and make decisions that are aligned with your goals. It will also help you attract investors and employees who share your vision and are committed to helping you achieve your goals. 2. Build a great team. Your team is the most important asset your business has. Surround yourself with talented people who share your vision and are committed to achieving your goals. Hire people who are smarter than you are and who challenge you to think better. Create a culture of trust and collaboration where everyone feels valued and respected. Invest in your team's development so they can continue to grow and learn. A great team will help you achieve your goals faster and more effectively. 3. Be innovative. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. Innovation is what will set your business apart from the competition. Look for ways to improve your products or services or to create new ones altogether. Be open to new technologies and trends. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a part of the innovation process. The more you experiment, the more likely you are to come up with something truly groundbreaking. 4. Take risks. There is no such thing as a sure thing in business. You have to be willing to take risks in order to achieve success. Don't be afraid to make big bets. But be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. And be prepared to pivot if things don't go according to plan. The biggest risks often lead to the biggest rewards. Be persistent. There will be setbacks along the way. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep pushing forward and you will eventually achieve your goals. Learn from your mistakes and don't let them discourage you. Stay focused on your goals and don't give up on your dreams. Persistence is key to success in business. Focus on the customer. The customer is always right. Make sure you are always putting the customer first and providing them with an excellent experience. Listen to your customers and respond to their feedback. Go the extra mile to make sure they are satisfied with your products or services. A customer-centric focus will help you build a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. Invest in marketing and sales. You can't expect your business to grow if you don't get the word out. Invest in marketing and sales to reach your target audience and generate leads. Use a variety of marketing channels to reach your target audience. Track your marketing results so you can see what's working and what's not. Make adjustments to your marketing strategy as needed. A well-executed marketing and sales strategy will help you grow your business. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress so you can see what's working and what's not. This will help you make necessary adjustments to your business model. Track your sales, marketing, and customer satisfaction metrics. Use this data to identify areas where you can improve. Track your progress over time to see how your business is growing. Be willing to adapt. The business world is constantly changing. You have to be willing to adapt to change in order to stay ahead of the competition. Be open to new ideas and technologies. Be willing to change your business model if necessary. The businesses that are able to adapt to change are the ones that will survive and thrive in the long run. Never give up. There will be times when you want to give up. Don't do it. Keep fighting for your dreams and you will eventually achieve success. Remember why you started your business in the first place. Stay focused on your goals and don't give up on your dreams. Success is not easy.